what's up? Good morning. Ayan. So, ito na yung inaantay natin na final race. So, naka-ready na pala lahat yung mga kasama namin. Nandun na sa van. So, nandito na tayo ngayon sa race track. Ayan. So, ito na yung pinakaantay natin na event. So, yung gold category mamaya. So, ngayon, prepare muna sila lahat ng mga obstacle, nire-repair nila yung mga kahapon na nasira. Hindi natin inaasahan, no? So malaking event po ito, hindi po ito basta-bastang event lang, baga international event po ito. So at saka nagsabay din sa birthday ko, kaya ayos.
Good job, Kuya Aldrin. Nice one. Woo! Nico attempting to climb up. Nice one on the logs. Now on the two. Looks like Aldrin is making it easy. Aldrin is following from the side. Looking at the Aldrin for goal. Oh, spectators on the side.
So ayan, nagsisimula na yung prologue po mga kabersa.
Get ready, Kuya Coach Morno and Good job so far, halfway through. Alfanta, palakpakan natin, kapatid. Yes, Coach. Go. Mornok Mangoso, Marshall, we need you.
Good job.
Everybody, atras. Now Alfanta climbing up the tower. Before that drop. 3, 2, 1, go! Nicely done. Go, good one. Let's go, Coach Bartolo. You can make it, Coach Bartolo. Power up. This one coming through. Easy, guys. You can make it. Just man powering through that muscle. Or no pressure. Climb. Guys, come on, cheer it up. You can do it. Gusman crossing the finish line. Guys, Bornok Magasong is coming. Nicely done, easy does it. Another log pass. Now the tube. Another log. The tube. Easy does it. Bornok Magasong is next. Nearing the finish line. Happy birthday kay Kursan naman!
Double check kung may
Get ready, guys.
Thank you.
Oh, countdown! Aussie Racing, countdown!
Sabaw tayo magsak.
10,
9, 8, 7, 6, 5,
Buti
4,
binati ako ni Ricky.
2, 1, and...
get ready! Frank! Oh! Bilab! Let's go, Kevin! Let's go, Frank! Dinagat! Oh! Let's go, Lipa versus Dinagat! Oh! Wasak ang ating concrete barrier! Dinagat versus Lipa Batangas!
Pero bumaba.
Kevin!
Subok lang sa siminto.
Inakyat na po ang barrier!
First time may mag-try eh.
The second long section. Dinagat! Oh, coming in! Dinagat! Hinabol po ang Lipa!
May nakunti naman bakal dyan. I-hold off muna. Huwag muna ang patakbo.
Oh! Dinagat attempting another log section.
Buboy, kunin mo yung maraming interior. Buboy.
Habol, pare, habol.
Kong, buha kayo interior dito sa dulo.
Guys,
Damihan nyo.
Dinagat is coming in. Lipat is moving forward for the high log section.
Focus dong, focus. Focus lang.
Lipa falls down.
Focus lang.
Now reaching the area of
Focus,
Lipa. We have Dinagat wearing the blue jersey. Black and red is Lipa.
Next one, up! Relax! Ayos! Focus! Nice one! Very good! Nice one! Ayos!
Nakita niyo ba yun?
Ayan, tapos na yung prologue natin. So, okay lang yan. Prologue naman yan.
So bro,
So ayan mga kabers, so magsisimula na po yung gold category.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Guys, we're revving up the engine. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. There they go, the third batch is coming in. Guys, have to be ready. Anything can go from where you are seeing on a fast lane. Happiest rider for this Hyper Solidarity All-Star is brought to you by Team World Factory. And of course, all of our partners and friends. Congratulations, everybody. Next batch coming in for the line and crewing of all the following F riders. Get ready for this. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, fire engine! 8, 6, 5, 4, 3, fire engine! Guys, come on everybody, cheer for your best fighter! All technical crew hard out work under the sun. Look at how they go up and down. Looks like a hard soft back. And now a few of you making your best choice of ride. We are seeing a lot of big potentials. Maximize your coffee and your ice cream. 10, 9, 8, 7, 3 more riders coming in. Do not cross. Bawal po tumawid sa mga spectators. po. Mas-sandwich.
Overlapping na po kasi. Okay, good.
Pahirapan talaga yung race track nila dito, no. So ito yung pinakamagandang experience natin, lalo na sa rider namin na first time lang makasali ng ganito. So ayan, dugot pawis na po ito. Kailangan talaga na tapusin kahit hindi man tayo manalo. Importante yung experience natin dito.
Malihok. Ayaw pugsa kay. Ang akong grip, tanggalan ang grip long. Tanggalan grip long, tanggalan.
So ayan mga kapersa, so hindi natin pipilitin dahil yung bike may diferensya yung sa hand grip niya. So lumuwag sa, kaya yun dun sa Rampage na disgrasya siya kasi yung kamay niya umikot lang dyan sa, sa grip na niyan. So ang importante na di po ma-disgrasya yung rider natin. Sayang kasi pag ipipilit mo wag muna natin pilitin dahil baka ma-deflect pa yung yung kamay niya. May second leg pa naman may third leg pa, fourth leg at saka fifth leg. So ayan, bawi na lang kayo sa next race. Importante yung experience namin dito. Kaya maraming salamat talaga sa RFA, sa lahat ng mga tumutulong. Yun, importante masaya kami. Safety yung rider natin yun yung importante, yung rider natin.
Si Bani na lang yung tumatakbo.
So ayan, so yung pag-asa namin si Bani na lang, si Giovanni. Kasi si Jig na rin, na-DQ na rin kasi nasira yung niya, bike niya. Yung sa amin din. So ayan, hindi tayo pinalad. Bawi na lang tayo. Yun, si Bani na lang yung yung pag-asa natin ngayon. So ayan, napag-desisyon na namin na itigil na lang kasi kaysa naman mas madisgrasya pa yung rider natin. So ayan, so relax na lang muna. Bawi na lang tayo sa next race. Hindi pwedeng pipilitin, baka ma-injured. Importante hindi na-injured.